17th July 2023. This is Kääntöpiiri. Project name is Swedish Lighter, building 4 staircase T. But we have to get to the staircases A, B, and C, or later also something more that we had missed in Olari here in Espoo, Espoo region, North modernized Finland, close to Motikylä with 3 floors and built in 2004. Turning 20 years old the next year, 2024, and it's going to be inspected again. But it's too dim here.
Yeah.
The timber is, we only need 3780. Still always 1000 traction.
Yeah.
It's not even into. Okay, this carpet feels almost like crap, this, but
Yeah.
but inside is still always 1000, and it's still always 1000 traction.
Yeah.
These have two runs. And the floor one button is green.
Yeah.
It was added later here.
Yeah.
This residential building dates back to the late 1970s, I think.
Inspected by Vice, maintained by Kony.
But we have to check the information later.
Yeah.
When it was built originally. There's still only 3 floors, but they still added in the lights.
Yeah.
It's really dim here. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope I can get to the staircases A, B, and C as soon as possible.
Yeah.
They will be very important to film also.
That's